Alright, well, I uploaded my video, number 151. It's all shared on Facebook. It's raining like crazy outside. I need to shave, but I'm going back to sleep first. I need to catch up on sleep before I do anything.
Hi, this is Kevin from KJNSD. You are now watching RCF 76.
Well, that was a pretty good nap, I guess. From, 10:30 in the morning till almost 6 o'clock at night. Must have been very, very tired. Like I said, I needed to catch up on some missed sleep. What are you looking at, Boxer? See, this is Boxer in the window. And he's obviously looking at something out here. What are you looking at? See, this is our backyard. Big, huge backyard. And we're not even allowed to go into it. No. It's because other people live in the other side of the house. They have access to the backyard. See, here's their little gate that they get to open and go into the backyard. So, yeah, they have access to the backyard. And all we have access to is the driveway and the garage, which we can't even go into. It's full of crap from the landlord. Yeah. So, yeah, we got a crappy driveway, don't even have a vehicle. And a garage that we can't even go into. So I don't get it. I think I'm gonna go out for a walk before it starts raining again. I always try and go for a walk at least once a day. Just because my cardiologist says that walking's good for me. So that's where I'm going, and hopefully. It's like 9:30 right now. Hopefully I'll be back before 11 so I can watch the replay of SmackDown because we were busy watching Undercover Boss instead. That's a mouthful. Yeah. So I'm going to go for a walk, come back, watch SmackDown, end off the video, and go to sleep. Yeah, right. Me sleep? I doubt it. Check this out. These are definitely storm clouds. Wow, that is crazy. I really hope, really hope that I get home. Yeah, that's KFC, Taco Bell. From the back. But anyway, I really hope I get home before it starts raining again. So I was able to make it home before it started raining, and I don't think it actually, no, I don't think it has rained yet, but it will. It probably rain tomorrow and Sunday and whatever. I heard it was supposed to rain Sunday, Monday. It's going to be fun, but then the rest of the week is going to be really hot, so get to go out and film more of that movie of Mike's. He wants to be done by mid-July, so hopefully we can do that. Other than that, I think that pretty much covers up today. And remember, check the channel of the week below. And take it easy.